A sneeze can travel out of your mouth at over 100 miles per hour, spreading germs in a wide spray. Every time you sneeze, your body is launching a high-speed germ bomb, with droplets capable of flying as far as 26 feet. Imagine the invisible cloud of tiny particles lingering in the air, each one potentially carrying viruses and bacteria. This microscopic mist can hang around for minutes, making that quick achoo more like a contagious explosion. So next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember, you're not just sneezing, you're unleashing a germ tornado.